everyone, I'm Gulnaaz and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to share some smart English phrases that will help you sound more natural and confident. Instead of using basic sentences, try these in your daily conversations. Let's get started. First phrase, break a leg. Now don't worry, this actually doesn't mean of breaking your leg. We use it to wish someone good luck, and especially before a performance. For example, break a leg for your performance. Say it with me, break a leg. Next, break the ice. This means to start a conversation, and especially when people are feeling shy or meeting for the first time. For example, he told a joke to break the ice. Repeat after me, break the ice. Now this is a fun one, piece of cake. This means something that is very easy. For example, this homework is a piece of cake. Say it with me, piece of cake. Next phrase, keep an eye on. This means watch something carefully. For example, please keep an eye on my bag. Repeat, keep an eye on. And the last one, better late than never. This means it's better to do something late than not do it at all. For example, you started learning now. Better late than never. Say it, better late than never. Now, let's quickly repeat all of them together. Break a leg, break the ice, piece of cake, keep an eye on, and better late than never. Great job, everyone. Now you can use these smart phrases in your daily English conversations. Keep practicing and you will sound more confident every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time.